an associate working with Vadia Gandhi and Company Ahmedabad office, and I'm associated with Vadia Gandhi from last 9 to 10 months. Earlier, I was with Justice C.K. Thakur. I was working as a research assistant with Justice C.K. Thakur, who works as an arbitrator and is also a former Supreme Court judge. So I have graduated in 2017, and thereafter I joined C.K. Thakur, and then I joined Vadia Gandhi. In Vadia Gandhi, I'm associated with mostly civil and commercial disputes. Objective behind joining the course was to get a knowledge of real estate laws in a very holistic manner and in a wholesome manner. Uh, if we look at real estate laws prevailing in India, we can see that there are a lot of laws prevailing, lot of laws enacted by union government. Then there are a lot of laws enacted by state government, and then there are regulations enacted by various local level authorities like municipalities, panchayats, etc. And therefore, you may witness overlapping of various laws. And so, as to understand a proper implementation and proper ground reality of real estate scenario and real estate laws, I have joined this course. As far as learning is concerned, there are a lot of advantages of joining this course, but to enumerate one or two, I may say so that the primary advantage of learning, a primary advantage by joining this course is that you will get to know a lot of practical knowledge about real estate laws. Like you will be getting an exercise to draft notices, complaints before RERA authority, before consumer court, or legal notices to builder, or legal notices on behalf of builder. So this is one part. Second thing, so far as practical exercise is concerned, you may also get an opportunity to draft conveyancing deeds like sale deed, agreement to sell, lease deed, etc. And second part is that, as I said, that there are a lot of interplay of different laws enacted by central government, union government, state laws, local level regulations, and therefore, after joining this course, you will get a better understanding that which law will be applicable at what particular instances, or at what particular circumstances, and therefore you will be able to chalk out that what particular provision will be applicable in this particular circumstances or in this particular situation. And therefore this is the prime objective and prime beneficiaries of such type of course crafted by your LOSICO. These are the primary beneficiaries out of what I have learned out of this LOSICO course on real estate laws. So far as queries are concerned, there are various platforms made available by LOSICO. You can raise your queries on LMS, which is a inbuilt software developed by LOSICO. Then there are different WhatsApp groups where you can get in touch with experts. You can raise your queries, which will be sorted out by either a class coordinator or an expert, and within a moments. And so there are multiple fora available to a concerned student or to particular students where they can raise queries, and they can expect it to get resolved within the moments or minutes after raising a particular query. So far as live sessions are concerned, there are classes organized on Monday, on every Monday. So if you are attending that, you can resolve your queries there by raising it with experts or a class coordinator. If your queries are raised after that point or after that particular point, then you may raise it with a WhatsApp group, which is created for a particular course group, where an expert or a class coordinator will again resolve your queries. And there are then LMS, which is a software application prepared for students by LOSICO, where you can raise your queries and which can be resolved by an expert there with proper guidance and direction. So far as my particular experience is concerned, I deal with a lot of property related matters before Consumer Forum, before RERA, and even before civil courts. So uh, my personal experience that yes, I have been able to utilize my real estate knowledge, uh, which I have gained from Law Sikho course, by applying it to the practical experiences which I face, and I used to face and I still face uh, in my drafting, in my code crafts, etc. And another thing is that which I would like to mention at this point in time, that if you are a working professional or if you are an entry level working professional, this type of courses will help you a lot, because so far as our college education is concerned, we all know that it is mostly uh, theoretical in by nature. We don't used to get some practical knowledges of drafting complaints, drafting pleadings, etc. These course enables you to understand various practical nitty gritties. Therefore, if you are entry level working professionals, and if you intend to make your future in a real estate laws or in real estate area sector, then this course is actually a worth, and one should join this particular course. Great experience. I have learned a lot, though 3 months is a less. I'm planning to join some other courses in a future, but considering my office timings and everything, I may join a new course in a couple of months from now. So it was a great course, great drafting of course materials, and the way it was handled is extraordinary thing. And I think that if it continues like the if I can say from my personal experience, I have gained a lot from this particular course. So, and it will enable everyone means, I say that even if is someone who is completely unknown to a particular field, and if he's opting out for this particular course or for some other course for that matter, then he will gain a lot out of this particular course and from a Law Sikho.